Can you guys hear me? Does my voice is clear? Okay, just give me a minute. I'll start the session. ठीक है. So you guys are comfortable with English or Hindi? Can we take it in English? Can we take it in Hindi? What do you think? It's up to you. आपको क्या लगता है? आप जैसा बोलोगे. काम करते थोड़ा पल यार. What do you think? Can you? अच्छा, we have people from different countries also. अच्छा, I'm too much famous, I think. Sorry. All right. So today's topic. Can we take it in English? Take. I see everything. Everyone can hear me. All right. So thank you. Okay, if you are listening me for the first time, my name is Ankush and I am CEO and founder of Learnomate Technologies. And we provide trainings on different technologies. But today I am here to talk about a very, very important concept. Very, very important concept. And that concept we called it as a cloud computing. Okay. So what is this? Why everyone is talking about the cloud, and whenever you go for an interview, everyone is expecting that you should have a knowledge about the cloud. What is cloud first? Okay. So we will try to understand about why cloud. Okay. What is the importance of cloud? Everything we are going to see. Don't worry about that. One by one, everything we are going to see. Why cloud? See, you take an example of your personal laptop. Okay. I will not talk about the servers and all. Just take an example of personal laptop. Okay. You consider a situation that you want to purchase a personal laptop where you want to store your photos, videos, you want to use that laptop for your education purpose. So whenever you go for an purchase, like let's say you think that I want to purchase a laptop, so you need to spend a lot of money. Basically, I have a lot of people who are coming from non-technical background. They want to start their career into the data engineer or database administration. These people, when they want to start the career, we are asking them to purchase a laptop. Why? If they don't have a laptop, why? Because they want to do the practice. They want to do the practice of database administration. They want to do the practice of data engineering. So basically they will spend around 70,000-80,000 rupees for the laptop purpose. Now the main problem is that everyone do not have a money to spend 70,000-80,000 rupees, right? They don't have a money. So we have one more scenario is there. We called it as a server access or lab access. So what we do, we ask them, okay, do one thing. You can take the lab access also. Lab access will cost you around 1,000 rupees per month. So earlier that student, he was not ready to spend 70,000-80,000 rupees, but he can afford definitely 1,000 rupees per month. He can definitely do that. So upfrontly, he don't need to spend a lot of money. Upfrontly, he don't need to spend a lot of money here. He don't need to spend a lot of money because he can afford 1,000 rupees, na? That too per month. He can afford. So whatever thing he was doing it on the personal laptop, he is getting a same feel. He is getting a same feel by accessing the lab access also. So basically, cloud vendors are also doing the same thing. What is cloud? Like when you heard the terminology cloud, like cloud and all, it doesn't mean that it is actually cloud. It's not a cloud. Now I'll relate it with the servers. Normally when you are working with any IT industry, they will have a lot of servers will be there. They will have a lot of servers. Servers means basically a physical machine which will be placed into some cold location. What is cold location? Why? So when I say a server, basically it is a device, and that device, it will be very heavy also, it will be very costly also, and it has, like, you will have a SSD, you will have a memory, you will have a processors, you can have n number of servers. So when company is saying that, okay, I want to purchase a server, many companies, they are thinking that, or they do not afford to purchase a server and their maintenance also. When this server, when these physical machines, these physical machines are behave like if I just compare it, you consider like a CPU. In our desktop, we have a CPU, na, similar like that. But the configurations will be really high, and when that server will be running, it will be very hot. It will be hot actually, like, so just to cool down, because when it is running now, just to cool down, we need to place that server into the cold location where the minimal temperature will be there. And that location, we call it as a data center. So basically there are two type of expenses are there. One is one expense is like you need to purchase a server, which is again a very costly. And second thing is, when you get the server, after that you need to maintain that server also. Let's say you got some issues to your server, so what you need a server administrator. You need to have a place, you need to have an infrastructure which will take care of that server also. You need to take care of the security also, because it's a server now, so the people from outside, they can attack, and they can, they can spread the viruses, they can steal your data, you can have n number of attack over the cyber attack. And that server can hold very important data also. Like, just take an example of bank will store their transactional data, your account data, everything will be there, right? So you imagine that someone got your data, or someone unauthorized person got the data, so security also play an important role. So there are two type of people are there. One people is saying that, or some companies are saying that, we want server, but we do not have a money to purchase a server, and we do not have a time to manage that server also. So in that case, what will happen? The companies like Google, the companies like Amazon, the companies like Microsoft, they will say that, okay, you don't need to purchase a server, we will provide you server access. You just do one thing, based on your usage, you just pay us the money. Like, let's say you are using this server for 2 hours, so whatever resources you are going to use for 2 hours, you just need to pay the rent. So companies are happy right now. Obviously companies are also happy, and the customers are also happy. Now there are companies like Amazon. So Amazon have introduced their own public cloud platform, we call it as AWS. Then we have GCP provided by Google Cloud Platform. We have Azure, and likewise we have other companies are also available in the market, like Oracle. Oracle have their Oracle Cloud, and other companies are also available. But these three vendors are one of the largest cloud vendors are there. Among that, AWS is really booming almost I think 60-70% of the clients provided by the AWS only. So what this AWS, GCP, Azure, what these people are saying, that these cloud vendors are saying that you don't need to maintain the infrastructure. You don't need to purchase the server also. You don't need to worry about the security of the server also. We will take care of it. And you just pay us a kind of rent, you would say, based on your usage. So many companies are there, they are saying that okay, I am ready with that. Let's take an example. I want to use the database. If I want to use a database, first of all I need a server, I need an operating system, so licensing cost, very very difficult. What I will do, I'll go to the Amazon AWS, I'll say that okay, I need database. Within a second they will provide the database also. So basically 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 what I'm trying to make you understand, that you take an example of your laptop. I'll tell you one more problem also of your laptop. What is the problem? Let's say I have a laptop with let's say I have a laptop right now which is with 16 GB RAM. I want to increase the RAM because I'm doing some editing, video editing I'm doing, or let's say I'm running some database cluster. I need some more RAM, but I don't want that RAM permanently. So what I will do, if I go to the any service center, first of all they will charge me for extra 16 GB RAM. It will take a time also. First of all I need to go to the service center, they will say that okay, you need to wait for another 3 hours or maybe on the next day. And then I realized that okay, once my work is done, they cannot take the return also of that RAM. They are not taking return also. So basically I want to scale my business has been scaled, and based on that I want to scale my resources also. So when you want to scale the resources in the physical server, you can do that, but it is a very costly also. And whenever you need, let's say I'm using 32 GB RAM today, but tomorrow I'm not using it, then it's a waste of money na? But what cloud people are saying that okay, if you need a RAM, if you need extra storage, if you need security, right away within a second I'll provide you. Right away you are looking for another 16 GB RAM, right away you just say that, you just click here and they will increase the resources for you. You need a database with the maximum capacity, they will do that within a second. Okay, after one day I don't want that, okay, you can remove that, you don't need to pay any extra for that. Called Zoom car, they will give their car. What these people have done, there are these biggest vendors are there, and these people have done all these things. Acha, till now whatever I'm discussing, are you able to understand, guys? Everyone, are you happy with the things whatever I'm going to tell you? Is it clear? Everyone, can you please use the chat option and let me know if you guys are able to understand? Able to understand? Mm-hmm. Yes, yes or no? Let me know. Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay. Nice. Mm-hmm. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Great. Okay, nice. All right. Next, the next part. Okay. What is the next part? So there are multiple importance are there. Like if I want to put it into the chat option, or like if I want to show you things here, I'll show you here. Okay, now, so first thing is the cloud is cost effective. The cloud is cost effective. Here if you use here, why it is cost effective? Because you don't need to purchase any hardware upfront. There is no upfront cost. Like you do not have a money to purchase a server, no problem, there is no upfront cost. You can use this for your scalability also. Like whenever you want to increase the resources, like you want to increase the RAM, you want to increase the storage, you can increase it within a second, and you can decrease it within a second also. Third important thing is you can access, and you can access the things from anywhere. If you have a internet, if you have a internet, you can access it from anywhere. So whatever, like you take an example of Google Drive, you take an example of Google Drive. Let's say keep it you keep your photos into the Google Drive, you can access it from anywhere, right? Similar way, the cloud are so much mobility, it provides so much of mobility, like you can access it from anywhere on your fingerprint. And the most important part is we call it as a high availability also. High availability also provided by cloud only. What is high availability? What is high availability? So what is high availability? Let's try to understand about that. You take an example, like today we decided that okay, we are going to conduct the sessions on cloud computing. You people have decided that okay, today we will take the sessions on cloud computing. So 8 p.m. was the timing. Okay, 8 p.m. was the timing, and I have only one internet is there. You imagine a situation that we have done so much of efforts, like we put a lot of efforts, and suddenly we put a lot of efforts, and I observe one thing that suddenly my internet goes off. So I need a backup, right? Let's say I'm using a Tata internet, Tata 5G we are using here, Tata fiber, and Tata fiber is gone. There is because of any issue, maybe cable cut or any other issue. So I need to have another backup to be available, just like Airtel internet. Similar way, whenever you are hosting any application or anything under the cloud, you have a feature provided by the cloud, we called it as a high availability. Everyone, like most of the people, they are using two mobile phone also. Most of the people are using inverter at their home also. Like let's say there is no current, so you have an inverter which is a backup, right? If my application goes down, nowadays everyone is concerned about the big billion day, and that Amazon or Flipkart, like you can see all those deals, right? Like it started from today. You consider a situation that your database goes down, so where is, you need one high availability solution, right? If my one database goes down, I have a parallel database is there which will take care of my clients. That is called high availability. So earlier the high availability was also there, but it was a very costly setup, very tricky setup, but now the things are really easy if you want to have high availability concept. You can get 99.99, means your database or your application, whatever you have, it will not be down. It will not be down. So if your primary is available, we call it as a primary, means your main server. If your primary is available in the USA, you can have your standby in the Canada. You can have it because they have a data centers available. They have their physical setups are available all over the globe. So you say what you need, they have it. Just the thing is you need to pay for it based on your usage. You just need to pay for it. That's it. That's it. You just need to pay for it based on your usage. That's it. Able to understand na, guys? You guys are understanding na? What do you think? You guys are understanding or not? आप लोगों को मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा? हम्म? Mm-hmm. Okay. Say fine. Yes. I can see yes. Okay. Nice. Nice. All right. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Okay. Nice. Okay. So uh so you are getting the high availability also. Okay. So you need to understand that whenever and wherever you want to start your career into the IT industry, this cloud is very important, guys. So based on your profile, you can decide that which cloud you need to understand. I am not saying that you need to understand all the cloud. No, no need to do. You take any cloud. Now, those people who think that they want to start the career into the, let's say, database administration, you can learn AWS, you can learn Oracle Cloud. Those people who want to understand about data engineering, AWS I will not prefer. Then you can go with Azure. You can also go with GCP also. But Azure is like, in the data engineering point of view, it is quite good one. Those people who are thinking that they want to start the career into the DevOps, I would suggest you can go with AWS, because most of the projects are using AWS for their DevOps pipeline, CI/CD and all. If you know how to use the services, if you know how to use the services on one cloud, you can easily do all those services in other cloud also. Usually all these clouds providers are same, only their naming conventions will be different. Their naming conventions will be different, so don't worry about that. Okay. So if you know how to handle one cloud platform, you can easily handle other cloud platform also. That is the reason I'm saying that based on what you want to pursue in career, you can choose the cloud. So mostly we have a people like who enroll for Oracle DBA in Learnomate, because that's the technology which I generally train. So initially you need to understand about the Oracle DBA, what is Oracle database administration and all. Then you can go for the Oracle cloud also. Directly do not go for Oracle cloud. Those people who are going for data engineering and all, because I do provide the trainings on data engineer also, they can start learning about the Azure. So you guys do one thing, like anyway we are going to conduct all these sessions regularly in future. The next session I'll take on, let's say, tomorrow we have a sessions on Oracle DBA, guys. Would you like to join? Let me know if you want to join so that I can share the meeting details on your chat. If you want, I can share the meeting links with you. So tomorrow I have my demo session actually on Oracle database administration. So I can share with you the link. Are you guys the part of our Learnomate group? Are you guys are the part of our Learno group? Hmm? You guys are the part of Learnomate group, right? Yes or no? No? You are not the part of group. अच्छा 1 minute हाँ. किधर है भाई ये announcement member? Let me add it. Okay, yeah, you can see there is a chat option. You can join this. I have sent it to the group. You can join there. Okay. So tomorrow we have a sessions on Oracle DBA, same timing 8 to 9. So you let me know, and we'll be discussing about that also. Okay. So based on what you want to pursue in future, you guys can decide like where you want to go. Okay. Any question for me, guys? Do you have any question for me? If you have any question for me, let
Sir,
me. Hmm.
I have one question. Sir, after Oracle DBA completing, we can join directly on Oracle Cloud without track.
Rack is nowadays for Oracle DB kind of compulsory. Okay. People are expecting that you should have a knowledge about Oracle Rack. Okay. So Oracle Rack is also important and cloud is also important. Okay. Both are important at their place.
So after rack, we can join on Oracle Cloud.
Ah, you can join. No problem.
सर कल के टॉपिक में एक बार डीबी ब्लॉक को डीबी ब्लॉक जो करप्ट होता है ना उसको रिकवर कैसे करते हैं वो एक बार बताओ ना सर।
अरे ये डीबीए का क्लास नहीं है।
नहीं
डीबी
सर आज नहीं कल बोल रहा था मैं डीबीए के क्लास में।
हाँ हाँ डीबीए क्लास में बताऊंगा।
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Actually, I would like to more like about on Power BI, like how we should connect our Power BI to cloud, or like is there any chances?
So for actually I'm not the expert of Power BI. Okay.
Okay, yeah, no worries.
I my profile is basically on database administration and data
Okay.
engineer. Okay, these are my expertise actually. We have
Mm-hmm.
a trainer for Power BI. I'll do one
Mm-hmm.
thing. I'll try to arrange a free sessions for Power BI and your data analyst related stuffs. Okay, so you guys be the part of this our Learnomate group, and I'll check the availability of our trainer because we have different trainers are there. So our trainer can help you for this Power BI and cloud integration. Okay.
Okay, okay. And is there any foreign chances on like cloud, or like you just say that like AWS and Azure? So,
So are you talking about the next class you are saying?
oh no, no. I want to know like how is the cloud market on like on the foreign side?
Ah, everywhere is good. Okay. See, IT is all everywhere. It is same only.
Okay.
Usually we get the project from US only. We people are service
Yes.
provider. So all the
Yes.
project will be coming from US, UK, and all those side only. Okay. So IT is like spread everywhere. So if cloud is a technology which is booming, means it's booming everywhere.
Okay.
Cloud every like cloud nowadays it's quite kind of compulsory.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, please.
Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah, sir, at present do you have any placements as a SQL developer? position?
Placement part will be taken care by our HR team. They take care of it.
How can we contact with HR team?
Contact will be quite difficult. That will be for like this paid people will be there, so they will take care of it.
I mean, at present you have the opportunity as a SQL developer.
I'll check. I'll check with them. Okay, tomorrow morning. I'll see.
Will you, sir, what about that? Will you explain completely cloud or will you give any basic knowledge?
I'll see. Like as per my time, as I said earlier, also whenever I get a free time, um, I'll I'll let you know, guys, in the morning that like in the evening we have a class. So based on that, you guys can come and you guys can join.
I mean, how many days it may takes complete at least?
Hmm? What is it? I cannot commit the timings and all. Okay,
I
based
mean,
on my work, I'll be there.
if you have the continuous classes, it may takes 1 month or 1 month.
Acha, for cloud, you are saying that generally we have the paid batches are there. They usually take 2 months to complete the cloud, like AWS. Usually they take 2 months to complete.
Okay,
And
sir.
sir, rack duration, sir.
2 months.
Yeah, sir. Can I come in?
Yes, yes, yes. Please tell me.
Yeah, sir. My name is Achiyenti. I'm a student of SVS, and SVS is a affiliating college with PTU Poncha National University.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm doing IT. So for me, in my syllabus, I have database course there, which is SQL. But in my entire career from this bachelor program, which lasts for 3 years, I want to specialize in data engineering from basic to advanced. True or I want to start the journey soon so I can get eloquent and confident in it maybe before my graduation in 2028. So can you please give me the step-by-step mode to follow the guideline?
So
Even
if you
at your
want to
school, if
understand
there's
about the
means
data
that you can
engineer,
give me.
if you want to understand about the data engineer, there are certain tools and technologies are there which you need to understand. I'm considering focusing on Azure data engineer. So basically, you should be strong with SQL, Linux. You should have a strong knowledge on the technology called Spark along with Python. We called it as a PySpark. Then you should know the cloud fundamentals. In cloud fundamentals, you should have a knowledge about the storage, the cloud computing. There are some services out there like Databricks, Data Lake. All those things are very important if you want to be the part of your data engineering field, and you should also have a knowledge about Python, as I said. Okay, so these things
Sir,
are
for
very
the
very
SQL developer, what are the technologies we need for the
Okay,
SQL
okay,
developer?
sir. Come in before she can come in. Let me complete my question, sir.
Yes, please. Yes, please, I'm listening you. Tell me.
Okay, you are listening.
Yes, I'm listening you. Tell me.
Okay, so how do you think? Because India as a whole, in those colleges, they prioritize theory over practical, and now I want to specialize in this course. So how do you think I can go through the process to do it, even if that 1 year course to enroll in it from basic, small to advanced? So
Hmm.
I want to understand it from basic to advanced in the data engineering department.
Yeah, so you start with the SQL first. Okay, you start with SQL first and then go with Linux. Okay, go one by one, like that.
Okay.
Fine, guys.
Yeah,
Okay, so I think we are done for today's class. Next time I'll let you know in the group, and I'll coming with another session based on the cloud only. Okay, So let's see. Okay, thank you. I hope you people have enjoyed
Okay,
the
thank you very
sessions.
much.
Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.